So, I have to tell you something about yourself that you may not know yet. It may be shocking, but I think you can get through it. And the thing is, you draw. Please don't kill me, but I had to say the truth. People need to stop saying that they don't know how to draw, because actually everyone knows how to draw. And now I'm telling you why I'm affirming that. People have this awful habit of thinking that if your drawing isn't perfectly shaded, anatomically correct, colorful as hell, and etc., it's not really a drawing. Well, I disagree with the thought. Do you know when you're talking on the phone and have a pen and a paper near you, or watching that really boring history class, and then you start randomly sketching? So, that's a draw. All your unpretentious scribbles, all the circles and random lines, they are actual draws. And if you put a little effort on this and organize them a little bit, the results can be pretty nice. Oh, Olivia, but how am I supposed to know how to draw and organize like this? First, let's be clear about something here. You don't need to draw exactly like this, that, or any specific way. But you can learn later. You want to draw better? Okay, that's more than possible, and it's not a matter of gift or demonic translations. First of all, have you ever tried practicing? Yep, just that simple. Yep, that's simple, just practicing. I'm promising something to you right now. If you draw every day, no matter what, in less than 1 year, you'll be drawing ridiculously better. And if you don't have time or discipline to draw something every day, like me for example, it's okay, but the important is, you need to draw as much as you can, as often as you can. There are so many schools out there that offer drawing classes that it's quite difficult that doesn't exist even one reasonably close to you. And again, if you have lack of time or even money, still have more options, like the internet. Internet is a marvelous place and you can use it in your favor. And actually, when you learn to use it, it will be one of your most powerful tools for drawing. Why I'm praising so much internet? Because of the tutorials, of course. There are so many tutorials and for so many aspects of drawing. Faces and expressions, body and body parts, animals, perspective, and more. There are so many as you can imagine, and maybe even more. If you ever get in doubt of how to do something, just go for the nearest computer and you probably find an answer. Now let's return a little bit. When I was asked how you were supposed to know to draw in some specific way. You don't draw like the others now, and I think you shouldn't draw like the others ever. There's so many styles and so many ways of drawing the same thing. Each person has his own facility with some styles. There are manga, realism, patterns, they have drawings too, and classic, and cartoon and graphism, and there you go. And most of these styles have subcategories, and sometimes even the subcategories have subcategories. Because actually, with time and practice, you have your own style. And that is just one of the things that makes the universe of drawing so amazing. All the diversification is it's just that. It's incredible, it's amazing, it's marvelous, fantastic. It's just the thing that I most love about drawings, is that there are so many of them and they are so different from each other. I'm not that good yet, but I'm getting better. And you can get better too. If you practice, if you try to look for what you don't know yet, and if you stop saying that you can't draw.